we're going to learn, we're going to continue learning probability. This week we're going to learn compound probability, and specifically today we're going to learn about independent probability. So independent probability is when the outcome of one event does not impact the outcome of the second event. The events are called independent. Independent probability can be determined by multiplying the probability of each event happening. So if you want to know A and B, you find the probability of event A, find the probability of event B, and you multiply. Okay, so let's do some practice problems on independent probability. So for example, in a board game, students draw a card, they replace it, which makes it independent probability, and then you draw a second card, and we're going to determine the probability of each event. So we're drawing a card, we're putting it back, so we'll have the same total each time, and we're going to draw a second card. So we're going to have the same total each time we draw the card. That makes it independent. So one event does not impact the outcome of the second event. So number one, to earn 50 points, a student must draw a heart-eyed card and then an angel card. Okay, so let's find the probability of heart-eye cards, and we have 1, 2. So what we want out of the total number of cards, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to find the probability of an angel card. And it looks like it's just this one right here. So there's 1 angel card at a total of 8 because we replaced the 2 heart eyes back. Okay, and then we're just going to multiply. So if you're using your calculator, you do want to put in parentheses 2 divided by 8, and you want to multiply 1/8 inside your parentheses, and you get 132. All right, let's look at number 2. Number 2, to earn 20 points, a student must draw a sleeping card and then an angry card. So we're going to find the probability of drawing a sleeping card. So there are 2 sleeping cards out of 8, and then and then we're going to replace them. And the number of angry cards is 1, 2 as well. So 2 8s, and then we are going to multiply both events happening, okay, which gives us 1/16. Let me scroll down a little bit and let's look at number 3. To earn 15 points, a student must draw an angry card or a laughing card and then an angel card. Okay, so an angry card or a laughing card is together. Okay, so these are all together. How many angry cards and laughing cards are there? Let's erase this. So here's an angry card, a laughing card, an angry card. So there are 3 out of 8 cards. And then we're going to replace those 3 cards back, and we're going to find the probability of getting an angel card. And we did find that here, which is 1 out of 8. And then we're going to put that in our calculator. 3/8 times 1/8 is 3/64. Number 4, to earn 5 points, a student must draw a sleeping card or a heart-eyed card and then an angry card. So where it says or right here, we're going to add them both together because we want either or, a sleeping card or a heart eye. So let's count. Here's a sleeping and a heart. Okay, so there are 4 sleeping or heart eye cards out of 8, and then we're going to replace all 4 back. And then the number of angry cards is, we have 1, 2 angry cards out of 8. And so in our calculator, we do 4/8 times the second event, 2/8, and that simplifies to 1/8. All right, let's have you try some of these problems. There are 9. Go ahead and pause it, and then once you're done with a few, you can check them as you go. All right, and here are the answers to the 9. So this one we have 1/12, 1/4, and 1/8, and here's the work for each one. And then row 2, we have 1/8, 1/12, and 1/16. And down here, row 3, we have 25 over 676, 1/6, and 4/26. There is an extra practice page for more practice, and also a Quizlet for more practice as well on Canvas. And that's it for independent probability today.